Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over some folding techniques and practicing techniques we use with paper right at our kitchen table. So if you're into that, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for coming on. In today's video we're going to be going over a kitchen table run through on a wall abutment fold. This fold is called a pocket fold. As I'm putting in the roof pitch line, as you can see I just did, I'm going to mark it with a marker to clearly mark the roof angle pitch so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. You would take this layout and do exactly as you see it on whatever material you're using. Paper is good to practice with because it's paper, and if you screw up you just toss it and start again. Here's a little tip. You can use a ruler to bisect a line just like I'm doing here. A lot of guys don't carry a set of dividers with them to bisect with arc, so this is how you can do it with a ruler. I'm gonna drop in this bisecting line and I'm gonna mark it for the sake of the video. Obviously you're not going to do this in real life, but for educational purposes it's great to do. So now we're going to start creasing these lines as I sip my coffee. Creasing these lines, just pressing down a little harder with the pen, will allow us to fold on the line a lot easier and be able to fold those nice crisp folds just like we would do on our metal details. So I'm just going to quickly fold them together here for you so we can see the final result. But the important part is, and what I find the most helpful is when we're doing it with paper, you get to see where what way the fold goes, if it's an inward fold or an outward fold. But it just gets you familiar, and then you can take this to the field and start applying it to the material. So there you have it. It's a nice folded detail. If you want to see some more videos, click on one of these. Thanks for watching, and if you're getting value, please subscribe. See you on the next video.